This is a 1977 Lakewood model S-223 that fellow fan collector Bo Mitchell bought me off eBay. Now this fan's in mint condition. It's got no rust on it anywhere. The grills aren't busted, except for on the back grill one of the corners is broke off, but it is fixed. I'll show you that in a minute. You can see it's in the peach color scheme with the white switch plate, which is one I've been looking for a very long time. Go with my peach 2nd gen that has the orange sparkly switch plate, and my terracotta 1st gen, which has this switch plate. It's got the classic 1st gen Lakewood blade. This grill was on the back when I got it. You can see actually really can't see, but there's no rust in there. The model tag's still there and in very good shape. Actually, if I do that, you can tell there's no rust in it. Let's go ahead and flip it around to the back. Of course, it's got a Macmillan motor in it, like pretty much all Lakewood fans do, except for a certain few. You can see this is the corner I was talking about. The chunk's still there and everything. They just went ahead and taped it back on, which I'm fine with, because I probably would have done the same thing if I broke that corner off. This is what it came to me in. There was some packing material out in the living room. You can see there's still a little left in there. Let's go ahead and start it up. Here's low. It's got the slow speeds to it. Definitely a very nice, smooth running fan. I've slept at this fan twice now. Runs very well. Like any Lakewood, it moves a gentle breeze on low. Oddly, even the fast running ones move a gentle breeze on low. Here's medium. Now it's moving a bunch of air. And here's high. Here's that very smooth running fan. Wants a ton of air like any Lakewood does. Now I'll shut it off. This fan was very clean when I got it. All I had to do was give it a light brushing with a paintbrush, and the little dust it had came right off. I didn't have to get a single part of this fan wet at all. Get it clean. Just brushed everything off with that brush. Yeah, very nice fan. Thanks a lot for buying it for me, Bill. It's going to get used a lot next year. But thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed.